Ever feel like your dog gives you the side eye when you pet another pup? You're not imagining it, they're jealous. Studies show that dogs experience jealousy, just like humans. When you show love to another dog or even a stuffed animal, your pup might try to get between you or act out. It's not just attention they want, they react emotionally when they feel left out. Scientists believe it's a survival trait. Jealousy helps strengthen social bonds and protect relationships. They're not being dramatic, they just really, really love you. Tag a jealous dog parent or share this with someone who needs to know. Follow for more.